Yeah, children, morning. Class 10th nutrition, we are discussing about the definition of photosynthesis and chemical equation for it. Who discovered chemical equation for photosynthesis, children? C.B. von Mill. In which year, children? 1931. And today we are going to discuss about two important points, that is factors of photosynthesis. Along with that, we will discuss the site of photosynthesis. So now let us discuss. First of all, the first point I want to share you, photosynthesis is called basic life process. Basic life process. Why it is called basic life process, children? For example, you are in LKG. If you are failed, will you go to first class? No. If you are failed in first class, will you go to second class? No. Basic means like what we have to say, very important. If there is no basics, you cannot build up anything over it. So food is a source to get energy by all living things. If there is no food, there will not be any other life process, because food is a source of energy. When energy is present, other digestion, respiration, excretion, reproduction, locomotion, all other life process exist. If there is no energy source, that is food, there will be all other life process will become zero, means they will not be performed. So photosynthesis is called as basic life process because it generates food. By consuming food, all living things perform other life process. Then they survive. So this is the important point I want to share you. And the photosynthesis not only provide food for us, but also provide oxygen and water. So water evaporated and bring back by the rain. But what about oxygen? Is very essential. No other life process in the world produce oxygen, children. If you see any kind of process in the world, the only life process that produce oxygen, which is very essential for respiration, there is nothing but photosynthesis. So if they ask one question, that is why photosynthesis is called basic life process, you have to write this, children. It is the only process which gives food, water and oxygen to us. Now let us discuss about factors of photosynthesis. So how many of you learned the definition of a photosynthesis, children, and equation of the photosynthesis? Have you learned or not? If not, again listen to me. Photosynthesis is a photochemical reaction. Photochemical reaction where simple inorganic substances like carbon dioxide and water are converted into complex organic substance like glucose, where oxygen and water liberates as byproduct. And you know very well, this process depends upon source of energy, light and chlorophyll. What is this, children? Chemical equation for photosynthesis. So what I did again, I defined, at the same time I have written the equation. You have to practice like this. Now let us find factors of photosynthesis. What is factor? Factor means a reason. What is the reason behind it? For example, what are the factors that help in production of tea? It requires tea powder, milk, sugar, water, etc. and gas. So like that, these are the factors. Without all these things, the tea is not prepared. In the same manner, the important chemical compounds that exist are playing key role in this process are nothing but called as factors. Then you can easily say that the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to understand, this is nothing but called substrates or reactants. What they are called? These are called products. So products comes when the reactants or substrate react with each other. So how many factors are present in a photosynthesis? That the answer is 4, children. You should remember it. What are those 4 important factors? First, light. Second, chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. Third, carbon dioxide. Fourth, water. These are the 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 factors of photosynthesis. Out of these 4 factors, some are called internal factors and some are called external factors. As you know very well, in a plant, the plant collects water from the soil. It is present internally in the plant, and the leaf is green due to a pigment called chlorophyll. These two are present within the plant because chlorophyll and water, these two are called internal factors, children. Means these are present within the plant. The sources that is coming out of the plant, that is nothing but not within the plant. Light is the source of energy that is coming from sun, that is outside of the body of the plant. Carbon dioxide present in the air, that is outside of the plant. So carbon dioxide and light, these are called external factors, children. External factors. So these are called factors of photosynthesis. These, what I would say, react with each other to produce a complex molecule, glucose. So these are what? Factors of photosynthesis. In your textbook, they have given about the importance of all these factors related with experimentation, children. Very, very important. One question I am going to ask you, that what happens if you don't have heart? You die within a short span. By that, what did you learn? Heart is very important. If you don't have kidneys, I removed kidneys to a man, what happens to that person? He dies. By that you can come to know that what is the importance of kidneys, what is its function. In the same manner, in your textbook, they have shown you the importance of these factors by performing experimentation. Sometimes in the experiments, they don't allow the light to strike on a plant. By that we can know that light is important for photosynthesis. Sometimes carbon dioxide is most often the experiment, the carbon dioxide is not given in a jar. The KOH absorbs the carbon dioxide and carbon dioxide is not available for half of the leaf in a jar. The other half is exposed to the air. By that, half of the leaf getting carbon dioxide, half of the leaf is not getting. The leaf which gets of carbon dioxide, it performs photosynthesis. The half leaf which is inside the jar, as KOH absorbs the carbon dioxide, it cannot perform because carbon dioxide is not there. In this manner, they given experiments. If I remove heart, I can know the importance of the heart. If I remove the kidneys, I can know the importance of kidneys. If I not make the plant, do not make the factor avail to that experiment, I can come to know that what is the importance of light, what is the importance of carbon dioxide. So these experimentation topics you better read in the textbook. And now we directly discuss about site of photosynthesis, that is mechanism. Before going to mechanism, lot of points are there. In these short videos, you cannot explain so many things. So we directly enter into the site of photosynthesis. Site of photosynthesis. Do you know, children, where is the photosynthesis takes place? Just you can say that, yes sir, we know, it is in the leaf. Yes, children, you are right. But where is the actual place? Where is that? Do you know that? You don't know. So, bring one textbook and scale. So when you observe the leaf have green coloring substance called chlorophyll. So in the 9th class, we have discussed about plastids. So plastids are of 3 kinds: leucoplast, chromoplast and chloroplast. So chloroplast is a cell organelle, children, but chlorophyll is a pigment, children, coloring substance. It absorbs the specific wavelength light because it reflect back the light in a green color. Okay, so difference between chloroplast and chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a pigment, chloroplast is a organelle. Shirt is a structure and have different colors. Shirt is common, but color is different. So pigment is different. So cell organelle plastid is a shirt, but whereas its color is a pigment. So you have to understand like this.